Hello everyone, welcome to our ultimate guide on eyeliner application and types of eyeliner. In this comprehensive tutorial and the video, I will unveil the secrets to achieving flawless eyeliner looks, enhancing your eyes with precision and style. Whether you are a makeup lover or beginner, this video will help you with all the necessary techniques and tips to create stunning eye makeup look. By my channel Beauty is Joy Forever. So guys, in conclusion, whether you are aiming for a natural everyday look or a glamorous evening appearance, mastering eyeliner application is the key to unlocking your eyes' full potential. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more makeup tutorials and unique videos, beauty tips, and will empower you to embrace your inner artist and achieving stunning results every time you pick up that eyeliner wand. Get ready to transform your eyes into captivating work of art. So dear viewers, this video have very unique ideas about eyeliner. This video starts by introducing the different types of eyeliners availing in the market, including pencils, gel, liquid, and pen eyeliners. I will delve into the unique characteristics of each type, helping you choose the perfect one for your desired outcomes and skill level. Next, dear viewers, I will walk you through the essential tools for your need to enhance the beauty of your eyes by eyeliner and by the use of eyeliner application. Once we have covered the basic, well moved on the cover of the video, the eyeliner application techniques, you will learn how to create the classic style like the timeless cat eye and the slutty smudged liner. Additionally, we all revealed the secrets behind achieving the symmetrical wings, making sure you never have to struggle with uneven lines again. By this video, you can see that all the techniques and ideas about the usage of eyeliner. The different colored eyeliners are also available in the market. You can pick up and enhance the beauty of your eyes all in your all occasions and among your friends and family members. So dear viewers, throughout the video, this video makeup artist will demonstrate step by step all the instructions and tips about eyeliner and application of eyeliner to your unique eye shapes, resulting in a personalized and captivating look. So adopt all the ideas and boost up your confidence. Please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends, family members. Thanks for watching and take care, and also hit the like button. Thank you.